Did you know that one fall can completely change your life? In the United States, every 11 seconds, a senior is rushed to the emergency room because of a fall inside their own home. Every 19 minutes, one of those falls results in death. It's not just a statistic, it's a silent epidemic, one that most people ignore, until it happens to them. If you're over 60, or care for someone who is, this video could literally save a life. Because today, we're not just going to talk about the dangers of falling, we're going to walk you through real, simple, effective ways to prevent it. And we're starting now. Imagine waking up one morning like any other day. You get up, head to the kitchen to make some coffee, step on a slightly bunched up rug, and in an instant, everything goes dark. What seemed like a small misstep becomes a fractured hip, and for many, the beginning of the end. In the US, over 36 million falls happen among seniors each year. Over 3 million result in emergency room visits. More than 32,000 end in death. But the tragedy doesn't always come from injury alone. It comes from what happens after. Take Joan, for example. She was 72, living alone in Ohio, independent, full of life, walking every morning in the park. Then she slipped in the bathroom, fractured her hip, and went in for surgery. She survived, but she never fully recovered. She lost muscle strength, mobility, confidence. A year later, she had to move into assisted living. Her freedom was gone. And so was the woman she used to be. Falls don't just hurt bones, they break spirits, they steal independence. Many seniors, after falling once, develop a fear of falling again. They stop moving, they isolate themselves, they sit more, walk less, and ironically that makes them even weaker and more likely to fall again. It's a vicious cycle. And here's the worst part. Most people don't realize how dangerous their own homes are until it's too late. But not you. You're here now, and you're taking the first step to prevent that cycle from ever beginning. Because the truth is, most falls can be avoided by identifying and fixing the hidden dangers that surround you. Every day, let's talk about those dangers. First, loose rugs. They seem harmless. They feel cozy under your feet. But they're one of the top causes of falls at home. The corners curl, they slide. One wrong step, and you're on the ground. Next, stairs without handrails. Going up and down stairs already becomes harder as we age. Now imagine doing it without anything to hold on to. That's not just risky. It's reckless. Always install handrails on both sides of the staircase. Make sure they're solid. Your hands need something strong to trust. Then there's lighting, or the lack of it. Dim hallways and dark bathrooms at night are fall traps. Your depth perception changes with age. Shadows confuse the eyes. Put up night lights. Install motion sensors. Make sure every area you walk through is well lit, especially at night. Now the floors, slippery surfaces in bathrooms and kitchens are treacherous. Water, soap, or grease can turn your next step into a fall. Use non-slip mats. Wipe up spills immediately and wear shoes inside, yes, even at home. Speaking of shoes, flimsy slippers, sandals, or loose-fitting shoes are a hidden threat. What you wear on your feet could be the difference between balance and disaster. Go for closed shoes with rubber soles. They give you traction. They keep you grounded. Another hidden risk: electrical cords. Extension cords or device wires stretched across the floor? Total hazard. Tape them to the wall. Use cord covers. Reroute them if you have to. Just don't let them become a trap. And finally, your furniture. Crowded rooms, sharp corners, wobbly chairs, all of them increase your fall risk. Clear pathways make your home easy to move through. Your space should help you, not hinder you. It's the little things that cause the biggest problems. But they're also the easiest to fix. And now that you've identified the dangers, let's talk about how to transform your home into a safe, fall-proof environment. Let's start at the front door. It sets the tone for your safety. If there are stairs, add handrails. Make sure the ground is level. If you have a welcome mat, tape it down or replace it with a non-slip one. Safety starts before you even step inside. In the living room, reduce clutter. Remove extra tables or chairs you rarely use. Make wide walking paths between furniture, at least 32 inches. Cover sharp edges with corner protectors. And again, fix or remove rugs that shift underfoot. In the kitchen, keep everything you use regularly at waist height. Don't store heavy items above your head. Don't stand on chairs to reach things. Keep a grabber tool nearby. Place a non-slip mat near the sink and stove. Always clean up spills as soon as they happen. Now, the hallway. This is where lighting matters most. Install LED strip lights or motion sensor lights along the floor. Use glow-in-the-dark tape on thresholds. And never leave shoes, bags, or baskets in the walkway. The bathroom is the most dangerous room in the house. Install grab bars near the toilet and inside the shower. Place non-slip mats on the floor and in the tub. If standing in the shower is difficult, use a shower chair. And consider switching to a handheld shower head for ease and safety. In the bedroom, install a nightlight near your bed. Keep your phone or an emergency button within arm's reach. Avoid slippery rugs. And when you wake up, don't rush out of bed. Sit up slowly, plant your feet, and take a moment before standing. Technology can also help you stay safe. Smart devices like Alexa can call for help, turn on lights, or remind you to take medication. Wearable emergency buttons can alert family or medics with a single touch. Motion sensors can detect falls and send alerts even if you're unconscious. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with one room, then another. Little by little, you create a safer world inside your own home. And while your house is being transformed, there's one more place that needs strengthening: your body. Because your body is your true foundation. And when your legs are strong, your balance is steady, and your core is active, you move with confidence. Let's go through a few simple exercises you can do at home with no equipment. First, sit to stand. Use a sturdy chair. Sit with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest. Stand up slowly, then sit down with control. Repeat 10 times. This builds leg strength and independence. Next, stand on one foot while holding the back. Have a chair. Try to hold for 10 seconds. Switch legs. If this feels easy, try it without holding on. Just stay close to the chair in case you need it. This improves your balance. Now try heel-to-toe walking. Imagine you're on a tightrope. Walk in a straight line, placing one foot directly in front of the other. Do 10 steps forward, then back. Use the wall for support if needed. This boosts coordination. Let's stretch. Face a wall. Place your hands on it. Step 1 foot back. Heel. Flat. Bend the front knee slightly. Hold for 20 seconds. Switch legs. This improves ankle flexibility and prevents tripping. Lastly, march in place. Raise each knee as high as comfortable. Move your arms naturally. Do this for 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat twice. This improves circulation and coordination. You can do all of these in 10-15 minutes a day. Don't rush. Stay consistent. Even 2 or 3 times a week makes a difference. Now let's talk about something no one wants to think about: what to do if a fall does happen. If you fall, the first thing to do is stay calm. Don't panic. Take a few deep breaths. Slowly check your body. Can you move your arms, your legs? Are you bleeding? Are you in pain? If you feel pain or can't move easily, stay where you are. Call for help. Use your emergency button or phone. If you can't reach a phone, try to crawl to one or make noise, bang on the floor or wall. If you're uninjured and feel strong enough, here's how to get up safely. Roll onto your side. Push up onto your hands and knees. Crawl to a sturdy chair. Place 1 foot flat on the floor. Using the chair, push yourself up slowly. Never rush, never force yourself, and always call your doctor, even if you feel fine. Some injuries take time to appear. It's better to be safe. Falling doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. And knowing what to do makes you powerful. You've come this far. You've learned what to fix, how to move, and how to respond. And now it's time for a final message, one that comes from the heart. Your life matters. You've lived through things others can't imagine. You've raised families, built careers, faced losses, overcome storms, and you're still here. That alone is reason enough to take care of yourself. Fall prevention isn't about fear. It's about freedom. It's about dancing in your living room, walking to the mailbox without worry, laughing with grandkids without limits, and it starts with one decision: to take action before something happens. So share this video. Someone out there, someone just like you, might need this message today, because the best years of your life should be lived with strength, joy, and peace of mind. You deserve that, and you're already on your way.